Hello there, how are you doing? So in this video we're going to learn about conditional operators, also known as ternary operators. Alright. Okay, so what is conditional operator? For example, let's say you have a variable and you have the expression. So certain operation happens here. The expression is there, and that will result to either true or false, right? So that's how it works. If it returns true, it will return true. If not, it will return false. Okay. So let's say an action. It can get a bit confusing. Okay. So let's create two variables. Okay. Variable num1 equals to, let's say, 200, and let's say num2 equals to, let's say, 100. Okay. So we have two variables. Now what I want to do is I want to create a variable, a result variable that will reflect, that will evaluate the expression and return either true or false. Okay, so let me create a variable result equals to, and what I want to do is I want to compare these numbers. So num1 is, let's say, greater than num2. So this is my expression. If it evaluates to true with the question mark, okay, if it evaluates to true, I want to say something, okay, that is correct. And what if it doesn't evaluate to true? Or I can even use empty string, so or I can give some expression. Let's say that is wrong. Okay, so this is how you write a conditional operator or ternary operator. Okay, so we have two variables, we compare. This is our expression, we doing comparison here, and the output will be, the true output will give this result, and the false output will give this result. Okay, so let's say in action, let's see the result. Let's see, that is correct. Okay, so num1 200 is greater than 100. That's correct, that's great. So this evaluates, this expression evaluates to true, so we got this true value. As you can see, true expression, true or false. Expression true. What if, let's say, we make it 1000? So now this expression evaluates to false, it's no longer true, right? So after the semicolon we give the false value. So let's see, if num1 is greater than num2, no, that's not true. Let's see, yeah, that is wrong. So as you can see, this is pretty powerful, and you will use this operator all the time in JavaScript. Okay, and it's pretty cool. It's one of my favorite. So as you can see, expression true or false, the only thing you want to remember is question mark and then the colon. All right, okay, so pretty simple, pretty easy, very exciting operator, this one, conditional operator. Okay, so if you liked it, next we will learn about the assignment operators. That's coming next. Thank you.